Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Pionex crypto trading bot. So if you want to make money from crypto without watching the charts all day, Pionex offers a great trading bot that automatically buys lows and sells highs for you 24/7. So how does it work? Grid trading means setting a price range. Within that range, the bot places multiple buy and sell orders. As the price moves, the bot keeps buying low and selling high, earning small profits with each trade. Here's how you can set it up. First of all, you have to log into your Pionex account on the application or on the website. Number 2, you have to go to the trade, select bot and choose the grid trading bot. Number 3, set your price range, an upper and lower limit. So after that, you have to go to the step 4, in which you have to choose how many grids you want. The more grids, the more trades. Number 5, and the last step, enter the amount of money you want to invest. And then all you have to do is start the bot. Now the bot trades automatically based on your settings. It removes emotion and lets you earn passively from market fluctuations. But there are some risks. Grid bots works best in sideways, volatile markets. In strong upwards or downward trends, they might not perform well. Also, if you set the wrong price range or grid size, it can affect your results. Still, with the right setup and market, this bot can help you make consistent profits. So if you're looking for a smart way to automate your crypto trading, give the Pionex trading bot a chance. So let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Happy trading!